you, huh? What's going on, James? Is that your tongue? Did you just go stinks? Did you go stinkies? Oh, it's a big yawn. So we're ready to get in bed. You ready to go to the night? Do you like the fan? Mm-hmm. What do you think about that fan? What do you think about that fan, Mr. James? Big blink. Say, Mom, what are you doing? Stretch. Wanna stretch? James. 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 Did you see Mommy's chair? Say, okay, we better go get clean pants. Love you. Night-night.